Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials, iOS up to date and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, tap the Apple TV app icon to open it. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid unexpected data usage. You should see the Watch Now and Library tabs immediately. If nothing loads, pull down to refresh. Next, locate the Search tab to find a show or movie to play. This starts actual interaction with content rather than settings. You now search for content. Tap Search, type a title or actor, then apply filters to narrow results. When you tap a result, review options. Buy, rent, or play if it's included with your subscriptions. Select the desired option and confirm. Once playback starts, you can tap the screen to access controls, seek, pause, and the three-dot menu for subtitles, audio language, and playback speed. Make sure to pin favorites or add to up next so you can return quickly. Finish by organizing and troubleshooting. Visit Library to view purchases, downloads, and up next. Download episodes for offline use by tapping the download button. If multiple viewers share the device, tap your account icon to switch or manage profiles so recommendations stay relevant. If playback stops or errors appear, first check Wi-Fi and that you're signed in, then force close and reopen the app, restart the iPhone, or install any pending iOS updates. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.